a 2011 Honda Odyssey EX-L. Has 6 cylinders, the VTEC engine, and 3.5 liters. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. The AutoCheck report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. This is what the back looks like. There's plenty of storage, and these seats fold down nice and flat. I'm going to show you how it works. All you do is you pull on this string, give it a nice little tug, and they go right in. So that's pretty slick. Then you grab it to pull it back up, and there you have it. So that's pretty easy. As you can see, my little helper has poked her head up today. There are the rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a gray leather. I will slide this seat forward. So there's your access to the third row. Here's the middle row. Your rear passengers can be entertained with a DVD player. And then there's the power door controls. And then up here is your air control for the rear passengers. Going up front, here's the passenger seat. Both seats are power. This screen here is where your backup camera is. There's your tri-zone climate controls. You can take control of the rear area if you would prefer. There's your audio controls, DVD player, display. Here's a little storage compartment. You have power bolts there. And then you have an auxiliary port here and a cooling box here, and you just turn it on by pushing that button. So think chocolate. You can keep your chocolate nice and cool. There's a middle console storage. The 2 cup holders for front passengers and cup holders for rear passengers. Up here is your sunroof controls, which I forgot to show earlier. So here's the sunroof. There are no caution or warning lights on. Your cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, got your power locks, power windows, and then your door controls and traction control. If you are looking for a van that seats 8, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Odyssey out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!